Okay, this is an overview of problem 3 from this year's 2023 AIME II. Let triangle ABC, this is C, be an isosceles right triangle, because angle A is 90 degrees, and there exists a point P inside triangle ABC, call this P, such that PAB is congruent, the angle PAB is congruent to angle PBC, which is congruent to angle PCA. And this segment AP is 10. And we're supposed to find the area of ABC. So we first are going to draw the segments from P to all the vertices of the triangle. And then we also marked that angle PAB, this angle, is going to be congruent to PBC, which is also congruent to PCA. And that means, and we also know, since this is 90 degrees, and this is isosceles, that these two angles are going to be, like this angle and this angle are going to be 45 degrees. And if we call this angle Y, then this is going to be 45 minus Y. And this angle will also be 45 minus Y, but we'll just denote that with this marking. Then since this angle is also Y right here, then this angle A is, the whole thing is 90 degrees. This will be 90 minus Y. So, and then since triangles have 180, like all the interior angles add up sum to 180 degrees, angle P would just be 90 degrees. So P equals 90 degrees. So this would be 90 degrees. And after we figure that out, we can just set these side lengths as x and x because it's isosceles. This congruent to this, and this is x squared 2 by 45, 45, 90 ratios, or 1 to 1 to square root 2. And then we also know that this triangle PBC is similar to triangle PAB by a similarity, since this angle is congruent to this angle, and angle Y is also congruent to angle Y. And since we know that these two angles correspond to each other, this angle and this angle correspond to each other, the ratio between the side lengths of these two triangles will be 1 to square root 2. Since AP is 10, and it corresponds to this angle, that means the side corresponding to the congruent angle of the other triangle will be this side length, BP, and it'll be square root 2 times 10. So this will be 10 square root 2. Further, to find PC, we want to find PC. We know that this is 10 square root 2, and PC is corresponds to the congruent angle, because this is the 10 square root 2 corresponds to this angle of this triangle, and PC corresponds to the same angle for a different triangle. So PC is going to be square root 2 times the 10 square root 2, so it's just going to be 20. And now, since angle APC, or angle P, is 90 degrees, we can use Pythagorean theorem to find the side length of the triangle. So we get 10 squared plus 20 squared, 20 squared is equal to x squared. Evaluating the left-hand side, we got 500. Yeah, 500 is equal to x squared. We could try to like just square root both sides and find x, but since we're looking for the area of ABC, the area is just going to be base times height, which is AC times AB, or x squared over 2. So to find this, we can just divide x squared equals 500 and divide both sides by 2. We get x squared over 2 is equal to 250. So, yep, so we want to find the area, so triangle ABC has an area of 250. If you guys enjoyed that, please make sure to follow my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.